This video is sponsored by Lens Studio. Welcome back. My name's Steven, and I'm an AR developer at Mousepack. This is the second half of our gravity gun tutorial in Lens Studio. Let's jump back into it. Next thing we're going to do in the resources panel is create a new folder, and we're going to name it Scripts. We're going to go ahead and import some custom Mousepack scripts next. This should be in the tutorial assets. Here we go. We're looking for all three of these. Go ahead and open. Okay, with the grab image selected, let's take our grab script, drag it over to the scene object, and drop it. Well, it's kind of hard to see. Let's collapse all these components first. Okay, here's our grab script. Let's set the crate physics body. That's what we're going to interact with our crate model. Okay, next let's select our throw. Let's collapse these components. And let's grab that throw script, drag it over, drop it here. And we're going to select our grab button here under the orthographic camera. That way when our throw button is touched, it can reset the grab button. That all happens under the hood in those scripts that we just applied. Alright, next thing we're going to do is go ahead and close the home because we're finished. No, I'm just kidding. Let's go ahead and search for the physics template. Okay, here it is. Let's open that up. And when it opens, we're going to look for the Raycast example in the Objects panel. Let's open that up and look for the Canon. There we are. Okay, let's right-click on it in the inspector. That shows us where it is in Resources. Let's go ahead and export it. Let's save it as Raycast, where all our other scripts are. Okay, let's go back to our gravity gun project. We're done with the physics template. We don't need to save it. Alright, here we are. Let's select our script folder and let's import that Raycast script. Perfect. Okay, now let's double click Set Hit State Script. That opens it. Down here we got some code that we need to copy. Control C to copy that. Let's double click the Raycast script and we're looking for the function onHitNearest. Here we are. Let's highlight that and Control V to paste. Now highlight again and Control / to uncomment it. Alright, Control S to save the script, and then let's save our project. Perfect. Next thing we want to do is find our gun model, not the container, but the model nested under it. Let's drag the Raycast script to it and the Set Hit State script to it. Now, let's select that gun container. We're going to make 3 box meshes here. These are our Raycast probes. Let's make a third one. Okay, we're going to name this first one Start. And this next one's going to be Middle. And let's name this one End. Perfect. Those are our Raycast probes. Let's set the middle's position to -200. This is the position that we're going to hold our crate with the gravity gun. And the end position we're going to set to -1200. Now our start probe is at 0. So what we're doing is shooting our probe, or shooting our ray from 0 to -1200, from point to point. Let's go ahead and set that point from to start, and set the point for to end. That's our ray. Okay, now let's find trigger event down at the bottom here, custom script, and we're going to find our set hit state on the gravity gun container. Here we go. Okay, now for function name, we're going to call a function set hit state. That's a lowercase s at the beginning. And now on our set hit state script, let's find that middle probe. That's where we're going to hold the crate. And let's find this electricity. That was a special effect that was imported on the gravity gun model. It's down. Here we go. Okay. And our force added is already set up for us. That should work fine. Let's go ahead and save our progress. And let's try this thing out. go ahead and grab the box, try throw. Perfect. Ooh, but it slides a little unrealistically. Let's see if we can improve on that. Let's look for physics matter in the resources panel. Okay, let's find the crate container physics body. Here we go, right on top of it. There we go. Okay, let's drag the physics matter over to that, drop it there, and let's double click physics matter in the resources panel. Now we can adjust the settings on that physics matter. Let's give it some more friction, a little more rolling friction. I think we'll leave the spinning friction as is. Yeah, that's fine. And let's just tune this down a bit. Okay, let's reset our lens over here. Let's try one more time. Grab and throw. Oh, right, perfect. A little less slide there. I think that looks much better. And now let's just turn these probes off. We really don't need that. Let's reset one more time. Those probes are still available to the script, but now we don't have to see them. And throw. Right on, that looks great. That was a good tumble. Okay, let's go ahead and save our project. And that's it. We're all done. Thanks for following along with me.